Feeling stressed is inevitable, but feeling like you're drowning in stress isn't. These coping skills can throw you a lifeline. Hi, I'm Dr. Kiki Fehling, psychologist, author, and expert in Dialectical Behavior Therapy, or DBT. If you often feel overwhelmed by intense emotions or impulsive urges, this video is here to help. I'll be teaching you 4 nervous system regulation skills from DBT called the TIPP skills that can help you calm down in crisis. TIPP stands for temperature, intense exercise, paced breathing, and paired muscle relaxation. We'll walk through each skill one at a time. The first TIPP skill is tip your temperature. When you're panicked, agitated, or emotionally overheating, this skill can help you cool down fast. Fair warning, some people do find this skill kind of intense or strange when they first hear about it, but it also often becomes a favorite once they try it. To practice tipping your temperature, grab a big bowl or a sink and fill it with cold water. You do want the water to be fairly cold, so put a handful of ice cubes in if you need to, and then dunk your face in and hold your breath for about 30 seconds or as long as you can. Repeat until you feel more grounded. This skill uses water to activate something called the mammalian dive reflex. When mammals are underwater, our heart rates slow down, which is nice when stress has your heart pounding. So putting your face in the bowl of water gets the same effect without needing to go swimming. One thing, this skill actually works so well that if you have heart problems or other medical issues, you need to check with your doctor before using it. The second TIPP skill is intense exercise. This DBT skill lets your body do what it wants to do when you're stressed and move. When you are stressed, your body floods with stress hormones and energy, and if you don't use that energy, it can feel like it just builds up inside of you. The intense exercise skill helps you use that energy mindfully so that you can de-stress and calm down. So you move your body in any way that feels good and safe for you. Dance, run around the block, or do some air punches or jumping jacks, anything that gets your heart pumping. The key thing is resting afterwards. Take a deep breath, take a minute to stretch. When you stop and rest, after exercise revs your heart up, your nervous system steps in to help you relax and lower your heart rate. So this skill may be just the nervous system reset you need when you're stressed. The third TIPP skill is paced breathing. I'm sure you've heard the advice to take deep breaths, but DBT's paced breathing skill offers a few science-backed tips you might not have heard before. The first basic thing is to breathe deeply into your belly. To get an idea of how this feels, place your hand below your belly button and try to breathe into it. Second, make your exhales longer than your inhales. This can help your heart rate slow down faster. And then finally, pick a steady breathing pace. So try breathing in through your nose for 4 seconds and breathing out of your mouth for 6 seconds. When you're stressed, even just one deep breath and long exhale can make a huge difference. But sometimes you'll need at least 5 or 10 minutes of paced breathing to calm down. It's also kind of like a nervous system secret weapon. You can do it anywhere without anyone else knowing. Try it the next time you're stressed. And finally, the fourth TIPP skill is paired muscle relaxation. When you're stressed, your muscles tense. By purposefully relaxing your muscles, you can tell your body that it's okay to emotionally relax too. To practice paired muscle relaxation, find a seated or a lying down position, and then you'll be tensing and relaxing all of your body's major muscle groups. So you can start at your toes, feet, calves, quads, and go all the way up to your head, shoulders, jaw, face, or you can go head to toe, whatever you prefer. And each muscle group, you'll breathe in and tense that muscle, holding the tension for a few seconds, and then exhaling as you relax. As you relax your muscles, notice what it feels like. Really let yourself appreciate it. Soon enough, you'll notice a difference in your stress levels too. That's it, the 4 TIPP skills from DBT. These skills aren't cure-alls, but they are powerful tools that can make overwhelming moments just a little bit easier to cope with. DBT has dozens of other coping skills beyond these 4. I teach many of them in my books and other videos if you want to learn more. Or if you want help with learning these skills and want to find a therapist who could help you cope with stress, check out Recovery.com or the other resources listed in the description box below. Thanks for watching.